Happy blissful day to you. How are you feeling today? I've got some good news for you because I would love to invite you to a free 5-day challenge where you will be working with me privately. Yes, that's right. One-on-one coaching for 5 days where we will be working together and you will experience freedom and thrive as well. That's right. I'm inviting you to the Break Free and Thrive Challenge. So I'm going to share more details with you, but before we get into the whole challenge, I just want to share some awesome feedback that I got from one of our clients. And she was just reflecting because we're about to end off with our coaching contract. And she was just reflecting because I asked her, okay, so what has changed? How is your life different and all the good stuff, right? And she shared with me, she's like, you know what, Gabriel? I remember coming to you feeling stuck. Remember, I felt so stuck. I always procrastinated. I knew exactly what I was supposed to do, but I just could not find myself doing. And then she remembered I told her procrastination is addiction. And addiction is something that you're not supposed to do, but you still do it. So procrastination is addiction. And we were just laughing about that. And she's now free from that, addiction. And she said that I was struggling to increase my income, even though I'm in such a lucrative industry, but yet I was struggling to increase my income. And I felt inadequate. I didn't feel good enough. I always judged myself. She felt like an imposter, that, no, this is not for me. Felt unworthy. And she was just reflecting. She's like, wow, I am now free. I'm not only financially free, but I'm now free. I'm no longer stuck in those trapped emotions. I'm no longer battling with anxiety and worry and stress. I am now free and I know how to regulate my emotions now. That's so important. She's now a master of her internal world. Her emotions is no longer controlling her. She's now controlling her emotions. She no longer identifies herself with her emotions and say, I am anxious, I am sad, I am depressed. No, she knows she's experiencing anxiety. She's experiencing depression. Now, when you do not identify yourself with these negative emotions, it no longer has power over you because you are now in control. So she was just sharing that I am now free. I'm no longer stuck. I now feel good about myself. And most importantly, I feel worthy. And I've increased my income numerous times. So it was just such a beautiful just meeting to witness and to see where she's been and where she's now. And that's why I love this. That's why I left the other business that I used to do and I'm doing this now, because I just love reminding people that they are the creators of their reality. I love reminding people that they are the prize. I love reminding people that everything is already within them and there's no one else to blame but themselves. And when they take back that control, it's just so rewarding. So let's get into this challenge. Now, I want to ask you a few questions, right? Are you a business owner or an entrepreneur? Are you feeling stuck at the moment? You're just feeling stuck. You're like, you know what? I just don't know what's happening. And are you feeling inadequate? I don't know how to spell that. I'm just going to say that. Are you experiencing imposter syndrome? So in other words, you don't feel good about yourself and you feel like an imposter, irrespective of your skills. You've got the skills, you've got the experience, but you still don't feel worthy. You still don't feel, good about yourself. And are you struggling to increase your income now, irrespective what you try. I've been struggling to increase my income for nearly 3 years. I was like stuck like that. Stuck. I was like hitting a it's almost as though I was hitting a ceiling. Nothing seems to be happening. Irrespective of what I did, nothing. I was stuck for nearly freaking 3 years. It drove me crazy. I was so frustrated, so stressed. Oh man. And because I really wanted to try to break free, but yet I was stuck for freaking 3 years. So I know how it feels. So I feel you. So if you are stuck at the moment, I feel you. If you feel like you're not worthy and you feel inadequate, I've been there. I feel you. If you're struggling and you've been trying all these things, I've been there. I feel you. And if you're feeling frustrated, trust me, I feel you. Then what I want to do for you is I'm inviting you to come with me on a 5-day challenge, one-on-one coaching. That's right, private coaching, just me and you for 5 days, absolutely free. So all you need to do is just answer yes to all these questions. You are a business owner or an entrepreneur. You are stuck at the moment. You're experiencing imposter syndrome. You're struggling to increase your income and you're frustrated because it just drives you crazy. Then I want you to go to the description below and just fill out the form. We've got a form there for you because of course we need to find out if you are really serious. So if you are serious about going on this 5-day challenge, then we will then get back to you because we are only going to invite 5 people. 5 people because of course I'll be working with you one-on-one. So we can't accept a lot of people. But this is just my invitation to you and say I would love to go on this journey with you for 5 days one-on-one so that you can break free and thrive as well. Why? Because it's your birthright. It is your birthright to live a life of freedom in all areas of your life, not just finance. All areas of your life. It is your birthright. So that's just my invitation to you to join me on this 5-day challenge for one-on-one private coaching. You'll find all the details in description. And having said that, thank you so much for your time and I'll see you inside. Cheers.